that makes it a lot harder.
I don't think you're going to clear this table.
That's the point, Joel.
And then
on the table.
Carol, get on the table.
it's happening.
I gotta do it without first.
She just does it.
Carol, to the table.
Carol, remember the limbo competition? Something got in the way?
Oh, that was the other fabulous video that needs to go on Facebook.
Aaron, are you taking video of this? Yeah.
That's harder.
This is really interesting.
The limbo host saying to Carol, it's not time for the
Okay.
table to be a
Are you ready?
man.
Like, I'm just afraid about the landing.
Watch your head.
Zorro,
not good.
Zorro, Zorro. Eagle Powers.
Who's that,
Joel's
Jeremy?
going to catch him because he's going to go running
No,
right
no.
into Christina's face.
Yes, Mike, catch
Yeah,
him.
Christina's going to
I'm just watching. I'm just spectating.
Do I get to catch
Hold
him?
on, he's gotta summon his eagle powers first, right?
Eagle powers, come to me!
No.
Joe loves to jump things.
I am afraid.
I call head first into that light.
I think.
Somebody.